Okay everyone, andito po tayo sa mega dashboard ng aking Facebook Business Manager for Tabletop. Ngayon, ang gagawin po natin, punta tayo dito sa Events Manager kasi dyan po makikita yung ating pixel. So, I just went there, clinic ko siya, and ni-redirect po tayo sa pixel dashboard. Okay? So it says here the last 7 days, and we can see that there are movements over here. This pixel of tabletop is very new kasi po yung website na yon ay also very new, and so I cannot expect, or we cannot expect, na madami na siyang data or data. If we are going to check the last 30 days, there were already 576 pixel events or total events that happened in there. And the basic ones are these. Ito pong mga ito na i-install ko na so that I will be able to monitor the movements or the data that Pixel is gathering. If we'd like to see the specific actions that the visitors has done in the website, ang gagawin lang po natin is i-click natin itong details. And we will be redirected to the detailed actions that the visitors have performed inside the tabletop website. And in your case, your website. So, andito po. And we will see that on the 30th of November, there is where we have a lot of page view and general event happened. Ito pong mga to ay makikita nyo over here. So, this is the page view and this is the general event. And some people have initiated checkout. There is no add to cart because we don't have an add to cart feature yet. And in the form, there were only 2 people who tried to probably fill in the form, but I was guessing ito po yung tests na kinonduct ko when we were at the point of creating the whole website. So, itong initiate checkout, ito po ay nandito sa page na ito. So, I was trying to check or monitor the tabletopdigital.com bundle, yung website po na ito. That's the one. And then, the rest is yung details, general event. Tingnan natin. So, what happened was, the visitors went to the main page or the home page. Yun, marami. And then, some of them went to the blog page. Yung iba, nagbasa ng about page. Yung iba, siguro, chinek. These are views. Chinek yung contact page. And then, other services. Admin post. This one, kami ang gumawa niyan. We were the one who did that. Kami ang nag-perform niyan, yung mga admin. And then, so on and so forth. Diyan mo makikita yung mga tao kung anong pages ang madalas nilang bisitahin, so that you will have an idea next time on what page in your website pull the data from to base your campaign. Okay? So, the other one, most probably ay halos pareho din. So, the page view, people are viewing for sure the main page or the home page. See, it's almost the same kasi wala po kaming ganong pages pa from that website. So, these are the things, or these are the actions that the visitors have taken when they went to the web and when they went and visit the website. Now we're going to create custom conversion so that you know what to optimize when you are creating your warm and hot campaigns. Okay, so we are going to click that, and then we will choose which page we want to gather data from so that we can optimize it later on. Okay? Let's say for example, gusto natin yung website na nagko-contain ng bundle kasi handun yung sales page. We're going to name that bundle initiate checkout. And then, ilalagay natin sa category na initiate checkout. Hindi ko na siya lalagyan ng value kasi merong 3 different prices doon. So, I will just leave the value blank. Okay? So, and now we're gonna create. Now we have a custom conversion. So, we are done. Next time, if we want to optimize the custom conversion, kapag gumawa po kayo ng ad, makikita nyo yan sa objectives. Pag pinili nyo yung website conversion, hahanapin nyo po doon, mayroon siyang drop down at hahanapin nyo po doon yung custom conversion na ginawa ninyo. For example, like this one. We're gonna go to Ads Manager and then we are going to create what do you call this? We're going to create a campaign and we're going to do conversion and then this is where you're going to look for the custom events. Ito po, yung conversion event. Pag click nyo yan, lalabas lahat. So this is the one that we just did and we are going to click that. You can leave the rest alone and then put your budget in. Let's say 200. Liliit naman itong conversion rate natin. But then, that's alright. That's when we are just testing. We can optimize it later pag magandang performance. Okay, so that is how you're going to optimize via custom conversion.
Whoa.